Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you valuable tips and tricks to boost your sales and promote your products. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of Reddit and how you can effectively use this platform to promote your products and increase your sales. Before we start, if I could ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, that will help us a lot. So, let's get started. Part 1. Understanding Reddit. Before we jump into promoting your products on Reddit, it's important to understand what Reddit is and how it works. Reddit is a social media platform where users can submit, vote, and discuss content on various topics, called subreddits. With millions of active users, Reddit offers a huge potential audience for your product promotion. Part 2. Research and identify relevant subreddits. The first step is to research and identify the subreddits that are relevant to your product. Look for subreddits where your target audience hangs out and engages in discussions related to your industry. For example, if you're selling beauty products, you might want to explore subreddits like R skincare addiction or R makeup addiction. Part 3. Engage and build credibility. Once you've identified the relevant subreddits, it's crucial to engage with the community and build credibility before promoting your products. Spend some time participating in discussions, providing valuable insights, and upvoting helpful content. This will help establish your presence and gain trust within the community. Part 4. Create compelling content. When it comes to promoting your products on Reddit, it's essential to create compelling and engaging content. Avoid using a salesy tone and focus on providing value to the community. You can share product tutorials, informative articles, or even conduct Ask Me Anything (AMA) sessions to generate interest and answer any questions users may have. Part 5. Adhere to Reddit's self-promotion guidelines. Reddit has strict guidelines against excessive self-promotion, so it's crucial to adhere to their rules. A general rule of thumb is to follow the 90/10 inches guideline, where 90% of your participation should be non-promotional, and only 10% can be self-promotional. Failure to follow these guidelines may lead to your posts being removed or even getting banned. Part 6. Use Reddit advertising. In addition to organic promotion, Reddit offers advertising options to further boost your product visibility. You can create sponsored posts or display ads that appear on relevant subreddits. Reddit's advertising platform allows you to target specific communities and demographics, helping you reach your desired audience effectively. Part 7. Track and analyze results. Lastly, it's essential to track and analyze the results of your Reddit promotion efforts. Monitor the engagement, traffic, and conversions generated from your Reddit posts. This data will help you understand what's working and what needs improvement, enabling you to refine your strategies for better results in the future. My conclusion: that wraps up our guide on how to use Reddit for product promotion to boost your sales. Remember to research and engage with the relevant communities, create compelling content, and follow Reddit's guidelines. With the right approach, Reddit can be a powerful platform to increase your brand visibility and drive sales. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment below, and I will be happy to answer it. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. See you in the next video.